we have arrived in LA. It is currently about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Hopefully you can see me because the sun is blindingly bright, but very, very welcome because we've come from a very cold England, although it wasn't raining for once. So we are currently adjusting to the time, so I think UK time it's like midnight or something ridiculous. But we've just checked into our hotel. The first night we are staying at Venice Beach, and then we're moving on to Hollywood, Beverly Hills area. So we just thought we'd pop out. Got refreshed from our 11.5-hour flight. Just thought we'd pop out and see Venice Beach because it's so famous, and we are quite hungry actually, so we probably need to grab something to eat. So I'm really, really excited to see when we get to the top of this road. It's the first pier of Venice Beach, and then I think everything to our right up to Santa Monica is the kind of iconic places. So we're very, very excited. My hair's a bit greasy, but I plaited it, so hopefully I can get away with it. David is he's just woken up from a short nap. While I was doing my hair and makeup, he decided to nap, which is probably a better idea. So he's currently...
I haven't done my hair and makeup yet, well.
You're not? Oh dear.
Pending, still pending.
So yeah, I'm very, very excited to see, and I probably will give you a little room tour later because we're staying at the inn at Venice Beach, which is right at the top of Venice Beach. Really nice little hotel, got a lovely big room, although I have sort of messed it up already, so I'll show you that later when we get back. On Venice Beach that does vegan pizza and normal pizza, and we're just sat with this beautiful view, enjoying our pizzas, which is very, very nice. It's a sneak peek of mine. Got a helicopter going over above. Does that even make sense? So this is our hotel room as you come in. I have messed it up already because I put my makeup. I do really love this mirror. It's like a huge mirror, and it's got the nice vanity lights at the top. And then you've got a little shower and toilet room in here. It's very compact, but it's right on Venice Beach and really, really good value for money, which is good. And then you come in here, you've got a little lamp. It's a huge room. David is modelling the bed for us in the corner, and it's even got a little kitchen area as well, so you can make your coffee and you can make yourself some water as well. It's got a little mini fridge, with nothing in it, as well. So we've just got back from having some pizza, which you will have seen. We just thought it was good to go out, even though we're absolutely exhausted, and just get our bearings a bit and see what's outside, see what's around, and get a feel for where we're staying. So we are only staying in Venice Beach for one night because we know that kind of West Hollywood and Beverly Hills is a completely different area, and we are going to leave those for day 2 and 3, and then we're also heading to downtown LA as well. So we're doing a few different areas of LA, which I think from what the kind of guides, blogs online said, that's the best way to do it, and I will report back if I think that's the best way to do it too. But we had a little look on Muscle Beach, which is obviously the famous beach for bodybuilders and people showing off their skills, which they were doing, which I tried to capture, but it was very, very harsh sunlight, so I don't know if it truly captured what was happening. And then yeah, there's lots of things going on, lots of little shops and stores selling a variety of things. We were offered medical marijuana several times as we came up and down, which was interesting. And yeah, it's quite a buzzy, lively, very chilled out place. And so we're getting into the LA kind of Venice Beach way of thinking. So we're gonna have a little nap, well, not really a nap, but just to chill out, and then we'll probably go out for some tacos or some fajitas or some margaritas later, because we spotted a really nice place just down the road from us. So we're probably going to do that, and then we're going to get up really early tomorrow morning, which I'm sure we will anyway because of jet lag, and then explore more, because I think if you keep walking further down, you can come to Santa Monica, which is what our taxi driver said. And I actually forgot to mention that we were picked up at the airport by Kiwi Taxi, so we actually booked that before we came, and it was so easy because it meant that we didn't have to faff about getting a taxi at the airport, and we could just grab all our stuff, because obviously, I don't know whether I've mentioned it, but we are doing a Trek America while we're here. So we're doing a few days in LA as an independent trip, and then we are joining the Western Wonder tour on Monday, I think it is. So we've got a couple of days, and then we're joining it after a couple of days, meeting our group, and then we are going on a massive Western road trip. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Stay tuned for all of the vlogs, because I'm going to be vlogging every single day and showing you what we get up to. I love documenting these kind of trips just because I love looking back on them, and me and David often watch our old travel vlogs as well, just to reminisce. And also it's quite nice for anyone that's traveling or doing a Trek America, a tour with Trek America, just to see what it's like and get a feel for it and come along with me, basically. I love bringing you guys along with me. So I've whittled on for ages, got no idea what I actually started this saying and what I meant to say. But yeah, we're gonna have a little rest, and then I will probably pick up the camera again when we head out. So I know I said yesterday that we were potentially going to go out and get some tacos and margaritas, but in true granny spirit, we actually just fell asleep on the bed and didn't end up going out and exploring. But we're up bright and early. It's 7:22. We've been up about an hour, so I think that's pretty good going, getting into jet lag. And I'm actually going to start the next vlog now, but I just thought I'd end this one and say goodbye and let you know that we didn't actually go out, but we are going to be venturing and exploring lots today. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, and I will see you again very soon.